Congresswoman Corrine Brown expected back in court again this afternoon, indicted on federal charges along with her chief of staff for using a questionable charity to funnel $800,000 to their personal accounts.
It's what the prosecutors call a slush fund. She's also accused of tax fraud. Channel 4's Ashley Mitchum joins us live. So what time is Brown's court appearance set for?
Well, she's supposed to be in court today, federal court, at 2 p.m. I spoke with an attorney who's not affiliated with this case about what could actually happen today at that pretrial hearing.
You would think she would have secured counsel for the trial proceedings, the court proceedings, but in federal court, once you file a notice of appearance, you're in for the duration.
Brown was arrested July 8th in Jacksonville. She pleaded not guilty the same day to all charges outlined in a federal grand jury indictment that also named her chief of staff, Ronnie Simmons. Both are charged with participating in conspiracy to commit mail and wire fraud, multiple counts of mail and wire fraud, and concealing material facts on required financial disclosure forms. Simmons is charged with theft of government property. Brown is also charged with obstruction of the due administration of internal revenue laws and filing false tax returns. The same day she was indicted, Brown stepped down as senior Democrat on the House Veterans Affairs Committee. But she remains a member of Congress and is running for re-election in her drastically redrawn congressional district. She has fought off challenges over 2 decades in Congress and continues to insist that she is innocent of all charges.
The question will be, was any of this willful? Did she know about the alleged failure? My guess is she probably had no annual reports, wouldn't know one way or the other.
A judge has granted a Justice Department motion asking that U.S. Representative Corrine Brown's lawyers be blocked from releasing discovery material that prosecutors will share with them in her fraud trial.
She's doing the right thing by trying to put her message out to the voters, and this is the court of public opinion, and she's running for office. So unlike many defendants that perhaps wouldn't want to talk about their case, she's someone who should be talking about the issues in the case and defending herself because she's got an election coming up.
If convicted on all 22 charges, Brown could be sentenced up to 357 years in prison and fined $4.8 million. Simmons could face up to 355 years in prison and $4.75 million in fines.
She has a good opportunity to defend herself. It's not a slam dunk case for the government by any means.
Brown's trial is set for September, a week after the primary election. Ashley Mitchum, Channel 4, the local station.